This has been one of the worst nights of bus life so far.
I can't stay here another night. We gotta move.
Let me explain. You see these trees? Here, come closer. These trees have been dropping huge acorns all night long, and when they hit the metal roof, they sound like a rock. But what's worse is they've also been hitting solar panels all night too.
I'm a little nervous to check the solar panels right now.
I was wondering if it was possible for us to change sites. The acorns were keeping us up all night. Bouncing on the roof. And like, we gotta go first thing tomorrow and change that out.
I really hope they're not cracked. I don't think they will be because they're supposed to withstand like hail and stuff, but these acorns, man. Alright. They look fine, thankfully. But look how big these acorns are, man. That's probably the smallest one, too. You can hear it go through the leaves of the trees. Being up here makes me wish we had a rooftop deck, but just not practical with the kids. Would be pretty sweet though. Come up here, have coffee, see sunrises and sunsets, get hit in the head with acorns, you know? Mommy went to the front office. What's up? My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. My bad. Oops. Propane. When I was climbing up, my foot hit the knob and it turned the propane on.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Thanks. Alright. Crisis averted. I am going to spend a few minutes outside of the bus though. Anyway, what's the verdict on moving spots?
She said we are good, but we do not get a refund. As $7 or acorns falling on our head all night long, keeping us up.
Yeah.
I'll pay the $7.
Keeping me up. You'll sleep through anything.
I mean, it did wake me up a couple times. Spot we're moving to is just right across the field, so we don't have to pack it up the way we normally do. I'm just gonna throw everything on the couch so it doesn't fall off the countertops and shatter. And the rest of the stuff is gonna be fine. Just gonna toss it on there. Meanwhile, this is not the only thing on our to-do list. This is actually a huge detour to the point of the day, which is to be going to the first state park in the United States, Niagara Falls. It's so beautiful at night. Whoa. All right, let's take a look at our new spot. So, of course, the main benefit is look at all this open sky. The Starlink is actually working here. We're getting solar, so it's fine, even though the site doesn't have electric.
This is deja vu. Didn't I do this already?
Yesterday? So we have all this space. Look at this. And there's nothing behind us except the playground, so it's just like a big old yard. Like we have a big old backyard. Sit here. The kids are playing over there. We're putting the table by the fire.
Yeah, you have a little bench.
It's one way to do it.
Arrived.
Got a close up of your face. Got a package from Mom. So there's like an array of things in here.
Ooh,
I heard I have a birthday present. This is for the birthday girl. That's me. We got some Yodo cards.
Yeah, can I say something?
This says Natalie.
That's cool.
I think this might be for you.
No, this was gonna be for me.
Oh yeah, she knows you like that.
You got a car, dude?
Yeah.
I got a gift card. Good thing I'm at the mall.
There you go, perfect.
Thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi.
We warped over to the outlet mall because a certain little somebody lost her Crocs in the mud when we were outside of Acadia National Park in Maine. So we have to go replace a pair of Crocs, and there hasn't been a single Crocs store in like states. Natalie likes to always check these and see if there's one that like got left behind. She's actually gotten one a couple times. Nope, that's too small. All right, try 12. Yeah, I think you're 12. Hey, you're a size 12 now? So many options in here. It just smells like Croc. Look, first look for ones you like. What, you like the Elsa ones? The tie-dye ones? Those are very bright. Oh my gosh. What'd you get? What'd you choose? Shiny purple disco ball, an ice cream cone. Whee! And I snuck away to an outdoor store and bought some shirts as a little birthday present. I used my new gift card. Thanks, Mom. Where'd the sun go? Natalie, where's the sun? Down here? It's sleeping. We're gonna get dinner.
Where?
Buffalo wings. While in Buffalo.
Hey, you know where we're going? McDonald's!
No, we're not. We should, because we can't really afford where we're going, but
While
you know,
in Buffalo.
do what the Buffalonians do.
Yep.
There it is.
So
It looks so fancy. These are all the sauces. It says medium is hot, so probably not getting
hot
that.
is very hot.
You can't handle that. So we debated between this place and another place our friend recommended. The other place is like the original buffalo wing place. I'm probably not allowed to say the name of it in this establishment, but we chose this place instead based on reviews. Oh my goodness! Yeah, that's spicy. Okay, get this. We are eating buffalo wings really close to Buffalo, not technically in Buffalo, watching the Buffalo football game. And I think I'm about to have the best wing experience of my life. This is one of my favorite foods. And regardless of if it actually is the best one, this is the most iconic wing experience. So here we go.
Zach said wings are wings. All right.
He's probably right.
Shout out to Zach. He's the one that told us about the spot. I got the dry rub. Tastes like a regular wing. Wings, beer, in Buffalo. Not many people get to do this, alright?
Now we're gonna do a little trade.
What do you want?
Take this one.
Alright, I'll take the flat.
Cheers. It's like,
That's pretty good. Oh, man, it's pretty good.
this is boring.
Boring. Uncultured swine.
Boring.
Go Dolphins! Just kidding, I hate them.
Look, it's the Statue of Liberty. So if you come to visit America, you can be like, I went to the Statue of Liberty. God.
Dang.
Dude.
That's pretty cool.
Natalie, look. I really wasn't expecting to be as amazed as I am. It just drops off. Oh my goodness. Dude. Look at it. It just drops right off. We made it to Niagara Falls. And it's so beautiful at night. So I don't know if you guys have ever been here or if you've been here at night. We do plan to come back tomorrow and see it during the day, but I feel like this is a really nice way to see it for the first time.
I see stars.
Stars?
Some stars? A little bit. There's a lot of lights on over here. There it goes.
Is that fun?
Not a bad way to see Niagara Falls for the first time. So that wraps it up for day 19. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that wraps it up for day 19, and we will catch you guys tomorrow.
See you in day 20.
Good night.
Bye.